Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. When we were skiing over the holidays, I really wanted to change these out to the powder baskets because it snows so much. I thought it would be a very easy just pop off and pop this on, but these are really stuck on here. Let's do some research on how to get them out. Okay, according to the Google AI, we can heat using a hair dryer or hot water, but I really like this video by Christopher Kirkpatrick to use hammer and wrench. They also mention here to use a mallet. Let's go set things up. Moment of truth. These are the different type of wrenches and hammers that I have. I want this metal part to come off so it will fit right there. Let's try to hit it with a hammer. See how this goes. I feel like this wrench might be too weak. Let's try the bigger wrench. This one is an adjustable. It's a little thicker and I feel more confident hitting this one with a hammer. There we go. Nice. That wasn't too bad. Came off pretty easily. This is not one with screws and fasteners in here where we tighten on and it just fits based off of friction. The next thing is putting this on. I'm probably gonna hit it with a hammer in reverse a couple of times, but as you ski and press this into the snow, I think it will automatically snug up pretty well. But since we're here, let's try to hit this with a couple of times. Pretty happy with that. Video 334 done.